All right, so I made a simple compass rose on the other one. And this one I'm going to try to make a simpler design that could be 4 color harmonies. These are smaller than the other ones, and of course much smaller than, yeah. This is a 9 inches, a 9-inch square, and then I divided it into 4.5. I'm going to do one geometric composition in each of these that's the same, a simpler kind than what we had worked on before. To find the center of these, line it up there, there, there. Same thing this way. Then figure out the halfway point here. It's going to be 2 1/4, which is half of 4.5, right? I think I'll do it up here. So there, 2 1/4 in, 2 1/4. Then I'll just line those two up. There are my centers, or your centers. Okay. Then you can take a circle for each and make them the same. We're breaking up space. We're making 4 designs that are the same. And you will use a limited palette along with water for white and a neutral tint or Payne's gray to carefully give yourself some dark areas. Okay, there's 4 of them. I go here. Oh, okay, that's not the same size. All right, if I go here, I'll get something interesting. And I can repeat that. It's kind of sticking this right off the edge of the paper and making sure the paper stays there. There. Now you've got enough woken up space here to give yourself something to do in there. If it's not enough to do, Then break it up some more. Figure out how to make a square in there. Okay. But these are dividing lines for different images. So if you have to, tape them off. Okay. So can you make that interesting with just one color? And then can you make this nice with two opposing colors? And this one, of course, will be nice with 3 adjacent colors, analogous colors. And this will be 3 analogous and 1 opposite. So, and that's basically the big one that I did. And that's what we can work on. There are 2 things. But we still did not get enough done with letting a layer dry and putting another layer on top, which is an important concept when you're thinking in terms of pouring resin and clear things like that. You can know what is going to happen when you pour one clear thing over a clear thing of the same color.